everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this premium wax seal stamp kit. Let's go ahead and just get right into this by opening it up right here. And this is what the inside looks like. It's all in the details. Isn't that beautiful? Like the packaging on this is absolutely lovely. So it does come with this. So it just tells you how to use it, like an instruction manual. It comes with these little stickers so that you can actually put them onto whatever you're wanting to seal. So you're not having to seal it directly to whatever you're trying to seal. It has this little, it's like a wax, not a wax, it's like a plastic little pad. And this is what the wax stuff looks like itself. Really nice. Okay, so it does come with these sealing wax sticks for standard size glue gun. So this is for a glue gun, which is really nice. And I love how it comes in this little box so that you can keep everything together. And then these are the different seals that they have. This one says thank you. So if you're sending out thank you cards, let's say you had a wedding or something, you can do that one. They also have a beautiful rose, which I do love, and a leaf. This is probably my favorite. I really do like this one. So very pretty. And what you'll do is grab this, which actually has a really good weight to it. You'll screw this on like so. It has this little spoon, which is where you'll actually heat up your wax in. And then it has these little wax pieces. And they have white, silver, and gold. So really pretty. So let me go ahead and read up on how exactly to use this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so you want to first start off by lighting a candle, which of course I got my fall candle out since it is fall. This smells so good, and I figured why not make your house smell good while using this. And the scent is vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. So good. Okay, so I'm going to start off. I'm going to put this right here. Let me go ahead and get my wax kit. And if you want to, you are also able to cut these up when you're out of these and use it, or you can use it in a hot glue gun. I don't have a glue gun with adjustable heat because it does say you want to use like a lower heat on that. So I'm just going to go with this. So I'm going to add 3 of these like so, and then you want to place them in here and just hold it over the candle until it melts. And as you can see, it's already starting to melt really well. So once you're done, you want to pour it out. And then you want to place your stamp over it. And do not pick up, just allow it to dry completely. And then once it's done, you just lift up like that. And you have your seal. You see how pretty that is? And if you didn't like the way it turned out, you could also reheat these if you make a mistake, so that you're not wasting one every single time you're using it. Then you'll grab this, place it on the back, then lift this part up, and then you're left with the sticker. So I actually do not have any cards right now, so I was just going to show you by sticking it onto this right here. Just like that. You can see it's stuck really good, and it's so beautiful. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.